Alright, so I got this drone slash helicopter that doesn't have steering. It's pretty neat, so I'm gonna test it out. Watch it land on my car.